The fastest shift I've ever seen a client make, it happened faster than anyone predicted. Most people believe that real change, it takes time. However, this is a surface level thinking model. The slower the build, the more lasting the result. The real framework, it's this. Real change is internal. It is only that your reality takes time to catch up. This is why the most successful and fulfilled people, they have the shift fast, and reality simply organizes around them to meet them. This is two separate models. One is a reality building model, and the other is a reality reorganizing model. Building reality, it has an expectation that it'll take time. That's the slowness. That's the buffer slowing it down. And the slowness that you experience, it is that the internal shift, it is delayed, and hence reality has no choice but to reflect what is happening internally. Here is the framework to why reality, it moves fast. Firstly, the internal shift, it comes first, and it is the cause. Your external reality, it is the reflection. Now, reflections, they don't take time. They are instant. They are a direct mirror of what is happening on the inside. They will always take the speed of what is happening from within. And the reason why reality feels so slow for most people, they have been taught to believe that it takes time. They have been taught to believe that you must build it. And the truth of the matter is this. It's the internal shift. It hasn't been focused on. Instead, they are focusing on trying to change the reflection. And once that internal shift, it changes, reality has no choice but to build the momentum and catch up to the internal shift that has happened first. This is a universal law. And there is a spiritual flywheel that occurs once you begin the shift. Now think of a mirror. You don't smile because the mirror smiled. The mirror smiles back to you. The reflection, it's never been the source. It always follows the source. This is reflected in the exact hermetic principle of the law of correspondence. It teaches that what is reflected in your outer reality is the direct reflection of your inner world. As above, so below. As below, so above. And a modern interpretation of this is as within, so without. Across almost 3 decades, working with global brands contributing over 300 million and being a multi-award winner, I began to notice the same thing. The most magnetic people and successful people, they understand this. How you experience your outer world, it is a direct projection of your inner state. It is influenced by your perception. It is influenced by your self-image, your self-concept. It is influenced by your subconscious programming. It is influenced by the paradigms, the belief systems, the conditioning you have inherited from your family, your bloodline, from social conditioning, from economic and social experiences, and your cultural dynamics. And what's fascinating is that when people describe a life-changing experience, it rarely happens because of an external result. They almost always describe an internal shift first. It's the moment they stopped tolerating something, the moment they became more certain. It's the moment they stepped out of the fear and started to lead differently, fully convicted, fully owning who they are. It's the moment they truly decided who they are going to be, and they took action. The external shifts, they came after. When the right thing, it moves on the inside, the outside reorganizes itself faster than what most people are prepared for. That internal shift, it is life-changing, and it comes first. And what's interesting is that overnight success that people refer to and my clients refer to, it has always happened because an internal shift, it occurred just before the breakthrough happened. They've become unavailable for their old identity. They stop negotiating their standards. They made that internal decision so completely that their behavior, their decisions, their thinking, their emotional state, it changed completely. And then their reality, it changed so fast that it feels illegal. And the speed of the change, that's what makes it hard for others to comprehend. I recall when my client, he messaged me. He told me that he had been chasing this deal, a very important client, for 3 years. This was 7 weeks into the mentorship. And just like that, in 24 hours, he moved differently. And that deal, it closed effortlessly. Now, this is why reality feels slow for most people and what you can do to change it. Most people, they're trying to earn the shift. They're trying to feel worthy of the outcome first. But waiting to feel worthy is like moving with a brake on. And all those times, they're continuously preparing, building the infrastructure, refining it, when really they're simply delaying because they don't feel ready to receive it. And the other belief is this: they're suspicious of things moving quickly. They believe that good things take time. So they wait and they set the expectation for it to never arrive fast. And then there are those who have subconscious programming that tells them that you must be patient. And that energy of waiting, it blocks the receiving effortlessly. The truth is, all of this is telling reality to slow down. It's placing the power outside of yourself instead of taking ownership first. And reality, it has no choice but to meet you at that speed. Now I'm going to ask you 3 questions. I want you to pause and sit with this. Firstly, where in your life have you been preparing for so long, yet not actually yet shifting into it? Secondly, and be really honest with this. If the thing that you truly wanted, the thing you've been working towards for so long, if it arrived next week, would you be ready to receive it? Or would you simply say the speed or the timing was wrong? And thirdly, what is that internal shift, the one you've been delaying? Because you don't trust how fast reality will respond to it. And the answer to question 3, that is your brake. Take the brake off and watch how quickly reality responds to it. So here's what happens when you release the brake and you cross over to the other side. You stop bracing for slowness and you start operating from readiness. And the shift you've been waiting for, it arrives at perfect speed because it was always going to arrive at that speed. It was only your internal shift that had to be ready to receive it. And because that block, it's gone, reality stops dragging and it starts reflecting. The deals, the opportunities, the relationships, the income, all of the things that you truly desire, they start to land quickly, faster than you would ever believe, because you're finally ready to hold it and receive it. And that shift in your internal state, that's what makes the difference. In the comments below, let me know which internal shift you didn't trust, that it was going to land fast and you're ready to let go. Whether this is your first time watching one of my videos or you've been here for quite some time, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my community. Next week, I'll be sharing a very powerful video. And if this has moved something within you and you are ready to make the shift, the applications are below. I read every one of them personally. And that slowness that you've been experiencing, it's been costing you the speed and ease of your desired reality.